Hello folks, L.A. Little here with TA Today, bringing you neoclassical technical analysis on a regular basis, giving you trading ideas, setups, and thoughts about where this market is and where it's going. Let's get into it. Hey folks, it's April 6th. It's about 2.5 hours into trading, maybe 3 hours now, and I'm just going to bring you my perspective of what's going on. And the main thing I keep seeing, starting with Thursday last week, was oil starting to diverge from equities. And so if I just pull up today's oil chart, you can see oil has been working higher all day, yet equities, depending on what you're looking at, are either flat or up. So here's S&P up 0.28, the Q's up 0.4, etc. And so we're seeing that divergence where even though oil is getting more expensive, we're not seeing that reflected in the equities. And if we look back at what happened when we were looking at equities last Thursday, and let me just bring up the indexes. And if I go to the SPY here, you can see on the SPY last week, this push up on Thursday, right? Gap down, push up, closes higher, right? And you get a little bit of follow through today. Is a huge diversion from what we've seen, the divergence between oil and equities. So, my take here is that this market, to make this, a short video, is my take is this market's going after that swing point high. It's going to break it. Now, we certainly can get a dip between we get there and we actually get over it. I would think worst case, top of this bar here, which is the high of the low. Potentially this bar might be worst case, which is where we saw Thursday's action trade to. But it looks to me like this wants to work its way back up to this area. And, and then we're probably going to get a larger spill again. But it just wants to get back up there. And so, you get a big push up, follow through, gap down, bought, right? Follow through. Swing point high is right there. Probably going to eclipse that swing point high before it's over with. That's my take. I could give you individual stocks. If you're interested in individual stocks, why don't you just put a few of them into the list down there, and I'll take a look at them for you on the next video. That's where we're at. Have a great one. I'll see you next time. Take care.